Hey everyone, I'm Rosie from K15T, and this is your Weekly Dose of Confluence. Today we're talking about a revamped trigger function with new templates, boosted branch limits, and a pro tip for speed dating in Confluence. So let's get into it. We'll kick off this video by talking about the enhanced page copied trigger and fresh templates. Do you remember the page copied trigger that was rolled out a few weeks back? Well, it's got a major upgrade. Now, it springs into action only after your page has been published, instead of those hiccups when it would still be in the draft mode. And that's not all. The shiny new templates have also been dropped to harness the power of this trigger. First up, effortlessly change the owner of a newly copied page. Next, tweak the restrictions with just a click. And lastly, update the status to keep your team in the loop. When is this available, you ask? All these goodies are now live for all Confluence paid customers. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and let these features take the hassle out of your page management. Next up, we'll cover how the boundaries of automation for Confluence have been pushed even further. Branch type limits? They've soared to 150, giving you the power to perform more actions on more content than ever before. Whether you're labeling a list of pages or managing tasks, the 3 branch components have got you covered. These components apply to each page, each task, and related entities. And for the savvy searchers, CQL validations are now smarter and sharper. Not only will you get instant validation on your queries, but you'll also see the number of matching content results, and even preview them in a new tab. It's like JQL in automation for Jira, but this time it's in Confluence, and it's live for all paid customers right now. Our last topic for today is a pro tip to save you time in Confluence, which we'll refer to as speed dating. Did you know that you can add a date in Confluence without your fingers even leaving the keyboard? Keep watching and we'll show you how to do this in seconds. To do this, just hit the / command twice, and you'll see the first recommended element is the date. Either click it, or to be even more efficient, just hit the Enter or Return key to get the calendar view. Here, you can use the left and right arrow keys to move to the day, month, or year. You can change these values by using the arrow keys. Of course, you can also use your mouse here, but for rapid speed, we're sticking to the keyboard. And that just about wraps it up for this week. Don't forget to check out the link in our description to subscribe to the newsletter, and like and subscribe for another video next week. Thanks for watching!